India is called the youth nation, where approximately 62% of the population is working age group. Despite being world's youngest country in terms of demographic dividends, India unfortunately has only 2% of the workforce who are genuinely skilled compared to approx 96% in South Korea, 45% in China, and 50 to 55% in the USA. Regardless of the tremendous growth, higher education has not proved to be efficient to make the youth of the country employable as per the need of the employer due to low skill quotients. There are fundamental problems at the design level as well, like minimal career guidance as per children's interest area or skill set at initial levels. The curriculum followed at our universities and colleges are often outdated with hardly any focus on the requirements of the industry. The problem has got even worse due to the pandemic, where countries are into complete or partial lockdown state, impacting children's mental health and social skills too. So here at My Skill Republic, we aim to provide 360 degrees career guidance to students to help them choose right suiting their skill quotients, which we call the transformative learning. We are committed to a fun-based, skill-oriented education system. It is a one-stop platform committed to serve all age groups. If we offer skill enhancement certifications in the technical domain like artificial intelligence, machine learning, programming languages, and many more, we also offer non-technical trainings on soft skills, crucial career success skills, business English communication skills, etc. We also feel the problems that our children face in not so interesting education system. My Skill Republic also brings the digital school, which is a fun-based leisure learning, skill-oriented platform with the modern-day blend of technology. The front-end video library is The Trainer Tube, which is a subsidiary of My Skill Republic, intended to build a pool of facilitators along with their videos, basis their expertise and presentation. So it becomes a matter of choice for the student on one hand. On the other hand, it is creating a work from home opportunity for trained or skill equipped individuals sitting in any part of the world. Employment along with intellectual contribution makes the Trainer Tube one of its kind and modern day need. So the student will have an option to go to the My Skill Republic website and select the courses or trainer of their choice, which can also be done through My Skill Republic application available at the Play Store. So yes, My Skill Republic has something or the other relevant to all. The one-stop learning solution. People ask, what's the difference? The answer is increasing the penetration level of Skill for All, Life for All to 100% with its unique way of learning.